Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add subtitles automatically in Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow up all the steps properly. And here we go. So first of all, open up the application and open the files inside Premiere Pro. After opening the target files, simply drag them onto your timeline. Now click on Windows Text, then this will open up the text dialog box inside the application. In here, simply go to the Captions tab and click on Create Transcript. A new dialog box will appear in front of you and ask you to select a bunch of preferences for your captions. Simply select the speaker labeling like this and click on Transcribe. It will then automatically render the text inside the upper left box. To select the duration and format, click on the CC button, which means create captions. Also change the preference to your liking. This will determine the formatting and size of the captions. The captions will be based upon these settings, and after saving it, it will automatically format the captions based on the settings you just saved. And that's how you can add subtitles automatically in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.